Everything is excited in this video, from me till my nails till my hair. Everything has been going haywire. Hello, Sundari. I really can't believe I'm actually like doing this video. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I don't really know where to start, so I'm just gonna start from something that I've been feeling throughout. None of this would be possible without you guys, and I really want you to take the credit, because I don't think somebody like me, who comes from a middle class family without any business background, without a family that understands business, would be able to do this if I did not have your support. So none of this would have been possible if you guys wouldn't watch the videos, if you guys wouldn't be supporting me, if you guys wouldn't have shown such a great reaction to the launch of my brand in the first place. So I really want to say that before, because that is the number one thing that I've been feeling. Yeah, I know it doesn't really seem like a lot when you're just watching a video or just commenting or just liking on somebody's video, but it really does make a lot of difference. And what I've just done in the title of this video is a testament to what all you can do if you have the right sort of people supporting you. And that's actually, we can just like shut this video off just by saying that. But I know you guys are interested in what exactly the product that I'm launching. So the thanks are out of my system. Thankfully I didn't cry, which is great. I knew I was gonna cry, but then I was like, nope, not today. Most of you have seen the video that I did, this one. But if you haven't, I actually launched my own brand in the end of July. It is called Coquel. It's pronounced as Coquel. A lot of people find it difficult to pronounce, so that's why I'm just like putting it out there. It's called Coquel. Coquel is a lifestyle brand for 30 plus women. And the reason why I want to focus on 30 plus women is because it seems like the older we get, the more invisible we become in all sorts of industries. I really want to create a brand that helps 30 plus women invest in themselves, invest in self-care, and investing in self-productivity. And that's the reason why our motto at Coquel is invest in self-care. And by your support, my ancestors' Ashirwad, and all of the good positive energy that I've been getting from a lot of people, I've actually been able to do that. So every single thing that Coquel is aiming at is a product that will help 30 plus women live their best life ever. And when I say best life ever, it generally just means to put you in a better spot mentally, to help you with your productivity, to help you feel like you have a community, you have a space where you can learn, where you can ask questions, and you can get answers. You can actually interact with others that are in the same space as you and understand how life is, and just like live holistically in a better space, if that makes any sense. And that's what my idea is with Coquel. So the first product that we are actually launching is a sort of product that helps so many different things all at once. I'll tell you a little backstory about this product that I'm actually launching. When I was from 21 till 29, I would always get compliments about my skin. I would always get asked how exactly my skin was so glowy and how exactly my skin is so healthy. And most of it was genetics, but it was also my diet, my hydration, all those other things. And then I turned 30, and all of that literally just went down the drain. My skin looked dull, it looked dehydrated, and it was really weird for somebody that didn't have that. None of my makeup would sit on my skin the way it did before. Weird and patchy and cracky, and it was really weird for me. Somebody that has been asked about my skincare and my skin for all of my life, to suddenly not knowing what exactly is happening with my skin was a really, really huge issue. And I know for a lot of people that might not be a really big problem, but the way we feel about ourselves is actually very, very important in the larger scheme of things. And I did have a lot of mental health issues as well at that time, so it wasn't really something that was that great to experience. by the time you're turning 30. And because of that, I kind of went into this tangent of research about why exactly it's happening and, you know, like how exactly you can change it. That is when I realized that all of the content around us, all of the products around us are just not meant for 30 plus women. Everywhere you go to, if you go to a store right now and you tell them your age, or if you're looking for a makeup, they always have this like very degrading way of speaking to you. Every single thing for 30 plus women is either anti-aging, or it is something to reduce us to the wrinkles that we have, or something to do with just like hiding our age and making us look younger. And I realized that I didn't want to look younger. I just wanted to have good, healthy skin. And I didn't want to be anti wrinkle. I didn't want to be anti fine lines. I just wanted to take care of my skin. And yeah, I mean, it would be great if I looked like I had my glow again. To nobody's surprise, all my other friends and everybody else also started asking me the same question, that what is happening to my skin? How do I take care of my skin? And I was even searching the internet. There was such less resources for 30 plus women for not just skincare. I mean, just daily struggles of our life, you know, be it like your married life, your children, your motherhood. It was such less resources coming from a space of just a community trying to, you know, better each other's lives. And I felt like there should be somebody that's doing that. There should be somebody that's helping us out as a friend and creating products. So not just creating content that helps us, but creating products that helps us. And I can just go there and, you know, like buy exactly what will work for me, something that is created for 30 plus women, something that is sourced exactly for 30 plus women. That is a backstory of why exactly this is going to be our first ever product. Please let me know in the comment section if that's exactly what happened to you when you turn 30, because I have it, like, it's not even surprise. All of my friends have the same thing to say. Some of my friends are younger than me, so they haven't really said it, but they're right about that 29 stage, you know, when they started to notice their skin becoming very different than what it was. And they're also very surprised. They're like, I don't know what's happening. Like, nobody is talking about this. Why is nobody talking about the 30 dip in our skin? And why is nobody talking about the 30 like confusion in our life? Why is nobody talking about how exactly am I supposed to have so much responsibility while, you know, handling my career, while handling my kids, while handling my own self as an adult? And I really think that Kokol can help a lot. And I'm very, very happy, because that is the one thing that I love to do. I love to help. And I have been doing that since about like 12 years now, which is really crazy. And, you know, I've been making content since 12 years, and you guys have known me for 12 years. And to be very honest, I've never lied to you guys. I've never sold you things that are not nice, and I'm not about to start now. So with that being said, let us introduce you to the first ever product. Introducing Kokol's Pure Cold Press Rosehip Oil. So the Kokol Rosehip Oil actually comes in this glass rectangular bottle. It's very classic, it's very chic, it's very simple. And I kept it transparent because I want you guys to be able to see the quality of the oil. The color of the rosehip oil is actually a very big factor in knowing what sort of quality of the oil that is. And that's the reason why I want to keep it clear, that you guys would be able to see what sort of quality that you're getting. Also, it looks really beautiful. Like, this rosehip oil was so difficult to source. I'm not even going to get into that one. We're going to do another video about that. Kokol's rosehip oil is a treatment in itself. It helps you with so many different things. If you're 30 plus, even if you are 20 plus, and this is definitely going to be helping in kind of creating a really great, healthy looking skin. And you're going to be able to see the difference. A lot of people are able to see the difference within a week. A lot of people see the difference within 2 or 3 weeks. Ideally, you will be able to see a vast difference in your skin, and the hydration of your skin, and the elasticity of your skin, and the glow of your skin within about a month, or tops 1.5 months, because it really depends from person to person. This is not a snake oil, guys. This is not going to be making your skin better like overnight. That's not how natural ingredients work. Let's first talk about a little bit about the packaging, okay? I really wanted to have a 2-component packaging because I really wanted you guys to be able to travel with it. I know a lot of 30 plus women travel for work. The packaging, two components. So it actually is sealed from this side. I hope you guys can see it in this. So it's sealed from this side, and in order for you to open it, you have to like crank it like that. And that's the quality seal there. You can just remove it after a while. There we go. And you also have like a dropper. Now, I couldn't find a sustainable solution for this dropper. If you're somebody that works in sustainable packaging, please let me know. I would love to know other alternatives to a packaging that's more sustainable than this. When I travel or anything, you can just put this on and just put the Dhakkan on again, and that's it. You can travel with it like this. And the next component of that is this dropper. So you get the dropper separately. You can just put the dropper in when you're not traveling, take it out, wash it a little bit with warm water, and it'll be fine. Kind of comes like this with a cap, but you can, when you're going to be using it, it's going to look like this. So this is like my personal bottle. It is very creepy. It is very freaky to be able to do this and talk about my personal bottle. But packaging too, I've tried to keep it as sustainable as possible. I've tried to use not dyes in the product packaging, because dyes are very difficult to recycle. They also cause like a huge havoc for our planet. So even if I'm in the future going to be using dyes, I'm going to try to make it as sustainable as possible. Open it, you actually get this right here. I'm pretty sure if you're using this on your phone, you've already started to get like the web details of this QR code. So you can scan this QR code and get to know more about your oil. And this is something that I thought of. I was like, oh, this is a great idea. And then I realized other people are also doing it. So I was like, ugh. And then I really wanted you guys to have this feeling of, like opening a good luxury product. And the best thing about luxury products, they come in this like buttery butter paper. So I made sure that it's packaged like that, and then you open it. Ping. So this is how you get your product. You have your stopper right here. You have the bottle right here, and you can take it out, put it in, do whatever you want. And yeah, I've tried to keep the packaging as sustainable as possible. I'm actually thinking of doing like a gift box as well. So definitely let me know what exactly you guys think about it in the description box. Now let's talk a little bit about why exactly I want to launch rosehip oil in Cocoel's range. Like when I was searching for the sort of products that I should use, and I went in this tangent. After that, when my friends also started to ask me the same questions, I was like, oh my god. And then I started researching about rosehip oil, and I tried to source it from different places, and I tried so many different rosehip oils, guys. I'm not even joking. I tried the ones that are available in the market. I tried ones sourcing it from all over India. I tried sourcing from outside of India, and I came to the conclusion this was the best rosehip oil that I could get my hands on. I tried it, I gave it to my friends to try, and everybody absolutely loved it. That's why we're doing this at Cocoel. Cocoel's rosehip oil is sort of a treatment, right? It's sort of a hydrating treatment. Rosehip oil is jam-packed with beta carotene, vitamin A, vitamin C. It also has omega-3, 6, and 9 in it. So it takes care of a lot of things when it comes to skincare. But another thing that's beautiful about rosehip oil is that it works on almost all skin types. So if you have dry skin, it's going to be helping in the hydration of your skin and balancing your skin out. If you have oily skin, it actually gets absorbed and balances your skin out so that you don't create excess sebum. If you have combination skin, because it already works with the dryness and the oiliness, it works beautifully with all sorts of skin type. If you have super sensitive skin, you might want to be a bit careful and talk to your dermatologist before you purchase this. Dave, my husband, he has extremely sensitive skin, and his skin absolutely loves this rosehip oil. Still, as a word of caution, you should ideally be asking your dermatologist if you should try the rosehip oil if you have sensitive skin. That's just a disclaimer. This one oil helps a lot of skin concerns that 30 plus women have. That being said, I also want to acknowledge the fact that, when you turn 30, and I've said this in a lot of videos, it's not just your skincare that's going to help you in healthy skin. You have to maintain a good lifestyle. You have to exercise. You have to make sure that your diet is in check. You have to make sure that your hydration levels are up there. And products, skincare products and other products can only help you about like 45%. All the other percentage is your diet, your lifestyle, your hydration. Okay, so don't think that this is like a snake oil that you're just going to apply and you're going to have amazing skin. You will have amazing skin with this, but it is not a discount for you to live an unhealthy life. And that is exactly the reason why we are trying to educate people on a good healthy lifestyle, especially after turning 30. And that is our aim, that is our goal with Cocoa. Another reason why of me launching the rosehip oil right at this time is actually very, very strategic. You see, this is the time that most of us feel like our skin just gets drier. And although rosehip oil is a dry oil, it actually helps all sorts of skin out. I know a lot of you will say that there are so many rosehip oils available in the market, and why exactly should we buy this one? First of all, not all rosehip oils are created equal. Just like any other oil, if you use a super refined version of that oil that is colorless, that is scentless, sometimes people even put the scent of roses in rosehip oil, which is, don't put that on your face. Those sort of oils might be really cheap, but they don't really have a lot of goodness in them to actually change your skin, because they don't really have anything in them. It's been filtered out completely. They don't really have all of the beta carotene, all the vitamin A and E, and all the omega 3, 6 and 9. They don't really have that. Every single thing from that oil has been extracted out already. The true litmus test of a good cold pressed rosehip oil is the color, the scent, and how quickly it absorbs into your skin without leaving a greasy thing behind. Another thing that is very subjective, I feel, is how much it stains. It really depends on the fairness of your skin for the rosehip oil to stain your skin. This one does stain me a little bit, but it stains my sister more because she's fairer than me. So yeah, that the last portion is a bit subjective. The color of a rosehip oil, a pure, thick, beautiful cold pressed rosehip oil, is supposed to be from a very, very dark yellow to a beautiful amber red like this one. And this is the only color of oil that you should be investing your money in, because all the other oils that are available, they might feel great on your face, but they don't really have any of that goodness that I talked about before. And the scent of the rosehip oil is never supposed to smell like roses. I had so many people asking me, does rosehip oil smell like roses? It's not supposed to. Extract rosehip oil. You don't extract it from the flowers. You don't extract it from the bud itself. You actually extract it from the seed. And the seed in itself does not really have a scent. It just smells like a very nutty, very earthy scent. So if your rosehip oil smells like roses, I'm sorry, but it's not real rosehip oil. It might be expensive, but it's not real. The texture of rosehip oil is very dry. So when I say dry, I don't mean that it doesn't feel like anything. It definitely feels like an oil. But when you apply it on your skin, it just gets absorbed instantly. Unlike other oils that kind of sit on top of your skin like coconut oil or olive oil, rosehip oil will get absorbed like that. So you don't really have to worry about this sitting on top of your skin. Ideally, you should be using this only at night time, only on damp skin. So if you use all of your skincare products, use all of your skincare products on damp skin and use this at the very end. 3 drops and 3 drops only on your face and your neck. You could also use it on the back of your hands. I actually use it as a hand cream, and it's made quite a lot of a difference. I'm going to do another video where I've done like a before and after, but those are like really old pictures, so I don't know if I'm going to do it or not. If you're using this oil as a moisturizer, all you have to do is wet your face. Make sure that you have a clean, damp face. Just drop these 3 drops all over your face. And when I say drop, I mean drop. I don't mean like a full dropper, just a drop. And use this as a treatment. So let's talk a little bit about who exactly should be buying this rosehip oil. If you're somebody that is at the age of 30 and if you've noticed that there's a drastic dip in the glow of your skin, in the hydration of your skin, started to notice hyperpigmentation, if you have started to notice that your skin has become a tiny bit duller, and if you want to include something in your skincare routine that's just going to help you in the overall health of your skin, this is a great product for that. Somebody was asking me the other day if people that have oily skin can use this oil, and that is absolutely yes, you can. This rosehip oil is a dry oil. It gets absorbed into your skin very, very quickly. You won't even know that you have like any oil on your face or your hands, and it just gets absorbed and just gives you like this beautiful glow. Rosehip oil also has the comedogenic rating of 1, which means that it is the least comedogenic, 0 being the least, 5 being the worst. Rosehip oil is rated somewhere around 1, which is very, very low. As a lifestyle brand or as a brand that's selling you the product, I have to tell you that every single person that purchases this has to do a patch test before you try it. It is a completely natural product, but sometimes natural products can react to your skin. It's not the norm, but it could be the exception. So you have to make sure that you do a patch test before you actually try the product on your face, just for safety. They asked me, Komal, I'm not 30 yet, I'm in my late 20s, can I use this oil? Yes, and absolutely yes. Anybody in any age group can use rosehip oil and get great benefits from it. The reason why I'm specifying it's for 30 plus skin is because Cocoal in itself is creating products specifically for 30 plus skin. That doesn't really mean that it's not going to work for people that are younger. That's not how like you can source products. If an ingredient is potent, it's going to work on everyone. But obviously, with the exception of people that have super duper sensitive skin, this will work on everybody. I think anybody from the age of like 18 till 65 or even 70 or 80 can benefit greatly from rosehip oil. So this is the only reason why we actually talking about 30 plus. Cocoal in itself is a brand that's focusing on 30 plus women. That doesn't really mean that this rosehip oil is not going to work for you if you are under the age of 30. So just keep that in mind. That was a question that somebody gave me, so I just wanted to answer. I'm going to be doing another video talking about the applications, how exactly you can use it, different ways to use it, how I personally like to use it, and I'm going to try to make like a whole I think playlist of this because a lot of people have been asking me these questions, so you guys can definitely check that out. I'm going to try to upload them as soon as possible. So yeah, this is the first ever product launch by me. I really can't believe it. It wouldn't have been possible without you guys, and I can't thank you guys enough. And it's very, very surreal. Like every single time I'm packing an order, I'm looking at Dave and I'm like, Dave, am I doing it? And Dave was like, you're doing it. And so it's an extremely brilliant feeling. I feel extremely thankful, and I don't know what else to say. I'm just gonna keep on saying the same thing over and over again. And yeah, that's about it. If you guys want to purchase Cocoal's pure cold pressed rosehip oil, www.cocoal.com. I am going to put the link in the description box so you can just open it, check it out, order yourself some. Definitely tag me and Cocoal Official on all of our social media. We are everywhere. We are at Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, everywhere, even on YouTube. We're on YouTube. Yeah, I really hope you guys are able to try the goodness of this luscious, beautiful rosehip oil. I think I'm going to be doing a separate video talking through like the whole journey of how exactly this has been a very, very long process, and I really hope you guys love it. I mean, I know you guys will love it, but I can't wait to see all of your pictures and all of your before and after. And so yeah, I'm really looking forward to seeing all of your pictures, all of your pictures of the orders and how exactly this helped your skin, all of the before and afters. I'm super duper excited. So I'm going to be leaving all of the links in the description box. Absolutely, thank you so much for your support. It's none of this would have been possible without you guys. And that's about it. Yeah, this has been a very surreal video. I still can't believe that I'm actually doing it. And I'm gonna go now, or else I'll just keep on saying the same thing. That's about it.